architecture, glass is no longer just an element. It has become the facade itself. And when we talk about modern facade solutions, slim sliding door systems are leading the transformation. Slim systems are engineered to reduce visible aluminum profiles to the absolute minimum. We're talking about ultra-narrow sightlines that almost disappear from the visual field. The purpose is simple: maximize transparency. Allow natural light to flood the space. Create uninterrupted panoramic views. And establish a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor environments. But achieving this minimalist appearance is not just about reducing aluminum. Behind every slim sliding system, there is serious structural engineering. The profiles must withstand wind loads. The rollers must carry heavy double or triple glazed units smoothly. The tracks must manage water drainage effectively. And the system must provide thermal insulation suitable for extreme climates. Because minimal design should never compromise performance. Now let's elevate the concept further. Fully concealed embedded sliding systems represent the next level of architectural refinement. In these systems, the aluminum frame is almost entirely hidden within the structure. The panels slide into wall pockets. The tracks are recessed into the slab. The threshold is completely flush with the finished floor level. When closed, you see glass. When open, you see nothing. It's pure architectural minimalism. But this level of elegance demands precision from day one. Structural coordination is critical. The slab opening must accommodate recessed tracks. Lintels must be reinforced to support concealed loads. Drainage systems must be integrated invisibly into the flooring design. Even tolerances become extremely tight. There is no room for site errors. There is no forgiveness in alignment. And this is where facade expertise makes the difference. Because slim systems are not only about aesthetics. They are about balance between design, performance, and constructability. The right system must achieve structural stability, air and water tightness, thermal efficiency, smooth operation, and long-term durability. Whether it is a luxury villa, a high-end residential tower, or a signature waterfront project, the choice between slim sliding and fully concealed embedded systems defines the architectural identity of the space. Slim systems deliver transparency with strength. Fully concealed systems deliver architectural perfection. And in facade engineering, perfection is built in the details.